I wanna eat this one.
Eat him.
Make a sandwich.
Right. I wanna put again here.
I don't wanna laugh.
Round here. Cut now, go.
Mama don't wanna laugh this round here.
Okay, hold on.
Welcome ashore.
Gracias, gracias. Precio la hospitalidad. He says she's a natural. Chip off the old block.
Cool.
Hurricanes.
Where did y'all go diving?
We went chunking up. Shallow, so she already did a few skills underwater, you know, cleaning the mask, throwing regulator, recover 2 different ways.
Cool.
Very good control on herself.
Yeah.
Cool.
How's your wife doing?
Oh, she's great.
Sarah.
Yeah, she's great.
Yeah.
I must have learned to speak Spanish.
With you guys, there is the first name is Mauricio. Mauricio is the captain today. Okay?
Hola!
The other, we got 2 dive masters on board. His name is
Manuel!
¿Cómo te llamas? Manuel. Manuel. He's one of the dive masters in charge of this boat, okay? Okay, myself, my name is Hector. I'm gonna be one of the dive masters on this boat. Well guys, the first spot is Colombia. Colombia team is far from here. It took like 35 minutes to get there. So we got a long time to enjoy the ride, okay? Okay. Everybody done before, right?
See?
Sí.
Remember me?
Manuel!
So the plan is easy, everybody. No, because the plan, we get there, get ready, and jump, okay? The way to get in the water is over there, the entrance, and the back to get on boat is over there, okay? The ladder over there. Everybody, if you think it's heavy, you have trouble with your knees or your back, it's better if you take off your stuff, okay? Yes, I need to check everybody has your fins, mask, PC, regulator, okay? Any questions so far? Let's go, vámonos, let's get the fire, vámonos.
What, no jokes? That's all you got? You make a joke. Manuel, you gonna do us a couple of jokes?
Big fucking shark.
Hey Trey, hey, see if they're watching. I'm surprised Mom isn't standing on the beach. You know, Kevin? Surprised Mom's not standing on the beach going,